guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video on the channel today. And we have some more Pokemon Japanese cards just come in today. We're going to open this up and hopefully we'll get something good. So I purchased this from Amazon last week. Make sure they're in there. Yep, I purchased these from Amazon last week. As you guys remember, like 2-3 weeks ago, we actually done the same. We got the 25th anniversary and we have the Starbirth edition. So yeah, we're gonna open these up now and see what we get and who we get. We're gonna leave these ones last. I'm gonna place them there. So like I said, yeah, I purchased these from Amazon last week. These cost me around £8. So yeah, not too bad for the prices. The last time I did purchase them, they were £10 or £11. But today, or last week I mean, I actually got them for £8. But if you like these videos guys, with the Japanese style Pokemon cards and opening the packs and stuff, let me know in the comments. Like this video, share with your friends. I also do have an Instagram, so I will be posting that in the start of this video. And yeah, on the Instagram I actually post like pictures and clips from the YouTube channel and also what's in my collection. So yeah, let's open this up. Let's see what we get. Ooh, it says, ooh, okay. I don't know Japanese, but all I can see is a V-Star, so you never know, we could get a V-Star. Don't think we will though. I think there's one from the back on these ones. I don't actually know. Okay, we got a Trainer Energy card. Energy, my bad. Trainer card. Alright, so what have we got next? Oh, we got Electabuzz. Nice. Very nice, okay. I think this is, yeah, Sneasel. I think it's Sneasel. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's the only cards we got from that. With these ones in the Japanese pack, there is only 5, not 10. So these are the cards we got. Not too bad. Oh, crap. By far, the favorite one I like the most is this guy. But these will go in the folder today. I'll place that there. Alright, time for this one. So as you guys know, on the weekend we pulled some great cards from the English 25th anniversary collection. And yeah, let's see what we get. Hope we get something really good. They make these ones difficult to open. Alright, it's probably going to be about 10 minutes long, this video, of me just trying to open this. Oh my god. Alright, we got front, I think. Alright, we got this guy again. Out here. Oh, we have another Fire Energy. We had this one last time. We have Kyogre. We have Cosmog. And the last card is Zekrom. Not too bad. Basically, these three And this guy I've got from the English version last week. Not too bad. We got the fire one again. So no good ones. Not too bad. So yeah, we got these ones. And we got these ones. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite card. That would be awesome. And remember guys, at 500 subscribers I'm doing a mystery pack giveaway to one lucky subscriber. Alright, yeah, not too bad, not too bad. It's all good. Yeah, so let me know in the comments guys which one was your favorite one. Not too bad for me. It's cool that I got Zekrom and Cosmog and Kyogre in Japanese versions now. Now I can actually put them in different packs. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.